What is a crevasse and its danger to polar explorers? Imagine walking across a vast icy landscape, feeling the crunch of snow under your boots, but suddenly, you step onto a thin snow bridge that gives way. That's the danger of a crevasse. A crevasse is a deep crack or fissure in a glacier or ice sheet. These cracks can be as deep as 45 meters, which is taller than most buildings. They form because glaciers are not solid blocks of ice. Instead, they move slowly, causing stress that makes the ice crack. The cracks can be wide or narrow, but even small ones can be dangerous. There are different types of crevasses. Some run across the glacier, called transverse crevasses. Others run parallel to the flow, known as longitudinal crevasses. Some spread out along the edges, called splaying crevasses. These cracks reveal how glaciers move and change over time. For explorers like Ernest Shackleton, crevasses were a constant threat. They often had to cross icy fields filled with hidden dangers. The biggest problem is that crevasses are usually covered by a thin layer of snow, called a snow bridge. This makes them hard to see. If someone steps on a snow bridge that is weak or thin, they can fall into the crack. Falling into a crevasse can cause serious injuries or even death because of the cold and the sharp ice walls. Rescue is also difficult. Once someone falls, it can be hard to pull them out. The walls of a crevasse are steep and icy, making rescue efforts dangerous and slow. As glaciers move, crevasses can widen or shift, creating new hazards. That is why explorers had to be very careful. They used tools like probes to test the snow ahead of them and ropes to stay connected. They also carried ladders and ice axes for rescue if needed. Knowing where crevasses are and how they helped explorers plan safer routes. They avoided the most dangerous areas and used special techniques to cross icy zones. So, crevasses are natural cracks in the ice that tell stories of glacier movement. They are fascinating but also dangerous. For polar explorers like Ernest Shackleton, understanding crevasses was vital for survival. Proper planning, equipment, and caution made the difference between safe travel and tragedy in the icy wilderness.